Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify for e-commerce, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Shopify website at www.shopify.com. Click on the Start Free Trial button located on the home page. Enter your email address in the provided box. Create a strong password that you'll remember easily. Fill in your store name in the designated field. Choose the appropriate options when prompted about your business status. Complete the required fields about your address and click Enter My Store. You'll be directed to the Shopify dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. To add products, click on the Products tab on the left menu. Select Add Product to begin entering your product details. Fill in the product title, description, price, and images. Set up your inventory and shipping options as necessary. Save your product details by clicking the Save button. Next, head over to the Themes section under the Online Store tab. Select a theme that suits your brand and click Customize. You can modify colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand identity. Once satisfied with your design, click Save to apply the changes. Now, navigate to the Settings tab at the lower left corner. Configure your payment providers to accept transactions. Add your preferred payment method by following the on-screen instructions. Next, set up your shipping methods under the Shipping and Delivery section. Enter your shipping zones and rates based on your business needs. If you have policies, set them up by going to the Legal section. Enter your refund, privacy, and terms of service policies as required. Once everything is configured, return to the main dashboard. Click on the online store link to view your store link. Test the functionality of your store by visiting the link in a new tab. Make any final adjustments or edits as necessary. With everything in place, you are ready to launch your Shopify store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.